Today, let me quickly show you how you can transfer Pandora stations. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video. If you're trying to transfer a station from one account to another, or even maybe share it so that the collection is automatically added in today's video, let me exactly show you how it is done. Now, all you need to do is open up a station that you've already been playing. Once you're inside of a particular station that you're trying to transfer, you can click on this share icon or this arrow and then click on the copy link option. Now, either you can share this song, share the station, or even share the artist. So, depending upon what you want, click on the option and then click on the copy link option right here. Once that is done, you can now share this link to other people, or you can just share it with yourself or open up a new browser where a different account is already logged in. So, inside of a new browser where a account is logged in, you can just paste in this link. And as you can see, the station now has also been added to the new account that you just pasted in so if you head over to the my collection list, you can see the exact station that you just pasted into this new account or a different account that you may have. If you are sharing this station to other people, they can also repeat the same process so that the station is also added inside of their collections as well. So that's basically it on the way that you share stations or transfer stations from one account to a different account inside of Pandora. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.